Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Oppo Reno 15 Pro and 15. There is no much difference between these phones. Let's see this body video. First compare the body features. Both mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Oppo Reno 15 Pro comes with 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display, and the Oppo Reno 15 comes with 6.32 inches AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Both phones come with the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected storage speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.